tanggapin mo yung ano. It's okay, I'll take video because just give, sir. Just give it to her, sir. No problem without you. Only this. Yes.
Okay.
If you want, it's okay.
No.
Okay. Yeah, just give it to her, sir, so that she can count. Just give it to her.
Okay. هذه 2 months 3,000. This is هدية. Okay.
Wow. Count.
You need to cry in this case. It's yours. Okay.
How much?
3,600.
You are serving with the one employer?
Yeah,
For how long?
8 years.
Oh.
Very close.
You are crying. You receive all the salary, ate? Huh? Why you cry? Maybe there is something? Okay, what do you want to say to Baba? Sir, she want to say something, sir.
Thank you for everything, Baba.
تشكرك استاذ يعني هي زعلانه ان هي هتمشي يعني.
Okay.
Okay, ate. So, okay na. Passport. Kunin mo.
I'm happy on it, no problem. But I said thank you, Baba.
Ate, this is everything. Passport, a-travel. Okay?
Thank you.
So, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Congratulations, ate.
Thank you.